Child labor now, protecting young hand, and child labor. Child labor is devastating reality for millions of children worldwide, depriving them of their fundamental right to education, safety, and every child deserves protection from exploitation and access to quality education, empowering them to break the circle of poverty. The Protecting Young and Child Labor Now initiative seeks to eradicate child labor through awareness, advocacy, and community engagement. We argue government, organization, and individual to join forces to enforcing anti-child labor law, providing education and rehabilitation serve and supporting vulnerable families. Together we can safeguard children's right to foster a brighter future. Let us unity in this critical mission, reporting child labor case, support organization, working tirelessly, and advocate for policy change. Every action counts, every voice matters. Let us protect young hands, nurture young minds, of shape a world where childhood